Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you all? I hope you are well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. I am Asha Firdausi, teacher of class 3, Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 14. Now, today I will take your math class. Are you ready for math class? If you are ready, take your textbook, CW copy and diary with pen. Okay, dear? Let's start our class. Last class, you have learned about problem related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Isn't it? Page number 72. You have done problem number 1 and 2 and your homework was problem number 4 and 6. Have you done your homework? I hope you have done. If anybody cannot solve your homework, if anybody cannot do your homework, you try to yourself. If you feel any problem, you can message me. Okay dear, then I can understand what is your problem. I will try to solve your problem. Okay dear, let's start our class. Our today's topic is what? Problem related to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Page number 72. Before starting this problem, I want to tell about some keywords. What are the keywords of addition? You know, total, in total, together, all together, keep together. This type of words are keyword of addition. Whenever you see this type of word in your question, that time you will do what? Addition. Okay. What is the keyword of subtraction? Subtraction keywords are, suppose, find out remain number, left number, other number, how much more, how much less. This type of word if you see in your question, that time you will do what? Subtraction. Another thing, multiplication. Multiplication, you know, after doing multiplication we get big number, isn't it? That means if in your question has the information part has the less amount and the asking part has big amount. Suppose one pen price is 10 taka and your asking part has 10 pen price. So one pen price 10 taka, so 10 pen price, what will be that? You will find by doing multiplication. You know, multiplication and division is just opposite, inverse, isn't it? If in your question has 10 pen price 100 taka and the question asked one pen price what? That means question asks less amount. So you will find by doing division. Isn't it clear all of you? Is there any problem? I hope there is no problem. Now let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic, problem related to addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay dear, everyone take out your book, page number 72 and read the problem number 3. At first read the problem number 3 carefully. Then I will discuss what the question asked and what the given part. Isn't it? Okay, let's start. Have you done the reading of the question? Okay dear, look at the board here. The question, at first you understand the question. What the question asked? Okay, look at the board. 3 parts out of 5 parts of 60-meter long ribbon are given to Ruma. I repeat it again. 3 parts out of 5 parts of 60-meter long ribbon are given to Ruma. Have you got it? This is the information part or given part. Okay. And what is the asking part? Look at here. How many meters of ribbon does Ruma get? How many meters of ribbon does Ruma get? The asking part has the keyword. Which is the keyword? How many meter? You will find out the meter. Whatever Ruma get. So which part you will write at the right side? Meter part you will write at the right side. And left part what will come? Part. Isn't it? Okay. At first you have to understand 3 part out of 5 part. 3 part out of 5 part. That line means, suppose this is a ribbon. This is a black ribbon. I have black ribbon for showing you. This is black ribbon. Suppose this is 60 meter. Actually this is not 60 meter. I want to understand you. This is 60 meters. Suppose if this ribbon, if I cut equally 5 parts. Okay dear, if this ribbon, if I cut equally 5 parts, so each part, how can you find? By doing division. If I cut the 60 meter equally 5 parts, look at here, I cut this ribbon, big size ribbon, in equally 5 parts. So what the question say? Out of 3 part, out of 5 part. 3 part. If I take 3 part from here, okay dear, out of 5 part. 3 part out of 5 part. Have you got it? The question said 3 part out of 5 part of 60 meter long ribbon are given to Ruma. These 3 part get Ruma. Have you got it? From 5 part, Ruma get how many part? 3 part. Okay. How can we find out the length of this 3 part? How can we find? This, if I add this or multiply one ribbon part by 3, then we will get 3 part ribbon long. Have you got it? I repeat it again. If I multiply one part ribbon by 3, then we find out how many meter Ruma get. Ruma get how many meter? How can we find out? By doing multiplication. In this math has 2 parts. First step you will do division. Have you got it? First step you will find out this 5 part ribbon. From this 5 part ribbon you will find out 1 part ribbon length. Clear? After that, in second step you will find out from this 1 part ribbon length you will find out 3 part ribbon length. How? By doing multiplication. So I can say in this math has 2 steps. First step you will find out how? By doing division. And second step, how can you find out? By doing multiplication. 2 steps here you will solve. Isn't it? Okay, let's start our math solving. Okay. Take out your CW copy and at first you try to understand, then you will do in your copy. How can you write? In 5 part there are 60 meters. So 5 part ribbon length is 60 meters. From this 5 part you will find out 1 part ribbon. So in under the 5 you will write 1. How can you find? By doing division. 60 divided by 5. So do the rough work here. First digit is 6. So no need to go next digit. Why? 6 is bigger than 5. So you can easily divide. How? 5 1 is 5. After subtraction you will get 1. Isn't it? 1 is smaller than 5. So bring this 0. So this is 10. So again start reading table number 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. So here will be 2. 5 2s are 10. So what is the answer here? Quotient is 12. So you can write here 12 meter. So 1 part ribbon length is 12 meter. So from this 1 part ribbon you will easily find out 3 part ribbon. How? I say by doing multiplication. Whatever Ruma get, that is 3 part. Isn't it? Whatever Ruma get, that is 3 part. So you can write 3 part 3 part out of 5 part given to Ruma, isn't it? These information you have to write in your solution. So start writing. Three parts out of 5 of a ribbon are given to Ruma. So Ruma get how many parts? 3 parts. So how can you find 3 parts? Okay. So Ruma gets 3 parts. So you can multiply 12. 12 is the 1 part length, isn't it? 12 multiplied by 3. Then you will find the Ruma's part. Okay. You know the 12th table. What? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36. If you cannot find out by reading the multiplication, you can do here also rough work. Okay. So 12 threes are 36 meter. So you can write the answer now. How many part? How many meter Ruma get? Ruma get 36 meter ribbon. Okay. Now here the answer. Okay dear, I repeat this question again. The question given part is 3 part out of 5 part of 60 meter long ribbon are given to Ruma. From 5 part, how many part get Ruma? 3 part. Okay. And the asking part is how many meter of ribbon does Ruma get? So you will find the meter. So meter you will write at the right side and part you will write at the left side. In 5 part there are 60 meter. From this 5 part you will find out 1 part. In 1 part there are, how can you find? 1 is less amount, so you will find by doing division. 60 divided by 5 you will find out 12 meter, isn't it? 60 divided 5 you find 12 meter. 3 part out of 5 of a ribbon are given to Ruma. 3 part. From this 1 part length, we will find out 3 part because 3 part get Ruma. So Ruma gets 12 multiplied by 3. Then we find 36. That means Ruma gets 36 meter ribbon. Clear? If you have any problem to understand this question, you can message me. I will try to help you. Okay dear? Your homework, we take out your diary and write your homework. Homework is, I am writing here. Okay dear? Your diary is here. Your homework, do problem 5 and 7 of page number 72. From 72 number page, you will solve problem number 5 and 7. Try yourself. If you feel any problem, you can message me. I will try to help you to solve this problem. Okay dear? Allah Hafiz.